I came to learn that this matter has been moved today and leave has been taken from your lordship.
My lord, I don't.
No. Leave has been
No,
taken by
that's right. I've heard. But so far as
from the Honorable the Chief Justice. Honorable the Chief Justice, it has been mentioned in the year that leave has.
That's all right. My lordship, can you proceed with the matter? I will make my submission.
Mr. Banerjee is saying, asking the court to
Proceed.
proceed.
We will make the submission, but by my lord, all the case laws are not with me. I will tell.
Okay, what's the matter?
Yeah, please, my lord.
Acha, what's the problem?
My lord,
Why you are so
allegedly on 7th of May,
Yes.
as a student, when the Operation Sindoor started between India and Pakistan, there was on social media a war of words, allegedly by various people, my lords, across the border. In one of the rants, it is alleged that while replying that we are delusional, there is no proof why we are fighting Pakistan, why we are blaming Pakistan. So this girl allegedly had a post in reply to that, where it is alleged that she has said something beyond replying that we are not children of Mahatma and all. She is alleged to have said that you must be delusional. Your Nabi must be delusional when you are talking. Delusional. My lord, there is nothing otherwise alleged. Please see the FIR, and we'll start by the, my lords, how they go about it, my lords. Please see the FIR, and that FIR is on page, my lords, 18. Does it disclose an offense? That is the issue, my lords. My lord, the complaint is on page 19, and I'll read it. To officer in charge, Garden Reach Police Station. Subject: demand to register FIR against one resident of Kolkata named Sharmistha Panoli under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by insulting Holy Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. Respected sir, this letter is to draw your attention that one lady named Sharmistha Panoli, resident of Kolkata, likely from Urbana NRI Complex, Kolkata, and pursuing law from Symbiosis School of Law, Pune, has made blasphemous comment on the Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. This kind of act brings disharmony, unjust, unrest in the society, and as a resident of Kolkata city, we will not tolerate such kind of blasphemy against our Prophet in our city. We demand to register FIR, action against her under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by publishing blasphemous content against the Prophet of Islam on X, formerly Twitter, and on Instagram, which is being viral on social media around 4 p.m. 14/5/2025. We are attaching the link for the video in which one lady, Sharmistha Panoli, has blasphemically commented on Prophet of Islam with a dirty mouth in which she abuses the Holy Prophet and try to bring disharmony, unrest, and communal dispute around the country. Thus, we demand strict action against such hate monger as soon as possible from Kolkata police to maintain peace and harmony in our city, around the country. Such kind of blasphemy are completely intolerable by Muslims, and we will not rest until strict action is being taken against such hate monger. Hope Kolkata police will do their best to bring justice and maintain peace. My lord, I ask a question to myself. Where is that content which says, they are saying, I made blasphemous comments? What is that? Today, as we read this, it does not disclose a cognizable offense which they have registered. Now, please see, this is registered on 15/5, and that is important. 15th of May, this FIR has been registered. On 17th of May, they take warrants of arrest against me, my lords. Warrants of arrest has been taken, my lords, saying that I am not available in my house, and because this is punishable with 3 years at best. So they say they can't arrest. They have to give notice
35B.
under 35B, erstwhile 41A. But instead of that, they say we went there and they were not there. They're absconding. Their phones are switched off, and therefore obtains a warrant of arrest. Now, my lord, there are two things. Parallelly, on 15th, I am before the police station with my complaint, saying that I am under acute threat. I am also seeking an apology for whatever was sent. That post was taken off on the 8th May itself, after making it on 7th night. The question today is, my lords, twofold. The law gives me protection, and that protection is, first, you have to register a case only if it, my lords, the contents of the complaint, my lords, show commission of a cognizable offense. This FIR does not have any content. So now I am left with something called a video, a link. My lord, that is why a provision of inquiry is there. First of all, you have to see the link as it is. If it provides that there is, then you will, my lord, ask whether it is. Two questions will be asked. Is it tempered? Is it original? And how it is? Nothing has been done. And warrant of arrest has been obtained. On 15th, 16th, 17th, there is a crowd in front of my house. There is a threat, and I've attached, my lords, right from sexually explicit, my lords, photographs of my daughter, of this girl. Also, my lords, the threat of beheading her, the threats of rape, all they were there. My house was found to be, my lords, attached with this thing that I live here. I study in such and such place. This is my father. My father's photograph is also there. So, my lords, we go to the police station on 15th, 16th, 17th, all 3 days. We are asking for protection and security. And, my lords, when it is not given till 19th, we are every day going to the police station. My father is going to the police station every day. And on 19th, when there was a crowd in front of my house at 10 o'clock in the night, my lords, that is the time, my lords, the family decides that now a crowd is assembling, the threat perception is increasing now because it has reached the doorstep. My lords, my father takes the family to Delhi, my lords, Gurugram, the Gurgaon, my lords, earlier. And they are there for some time till the time the threat perception is answered. My lord, because threat perception is continuing. So the phones were switched off because dirty messages, threats are time and again coming. There was a scare. So the question is, my lords, please see what needs to be done at that time. They have to show to the court while taking arrest why I was not there. My phones were available on 17th. It could be ascertained. I am there in my house. It can be ascertained. I left this place on 20th. The warrant of arrest was obtained on this. So, my lord, they'll have to see two things. Whether the registration of the case was proper, number one. Whether my warrant of arrest was taken as per law, disclosing, my lords, facts otherwise which are right. What is the offense against me? Am I a terrorist? Why are they witch hunting? They go all over the country, my lord. They raid everywhere. I did not know. Now I'm coming to know that they have been raiding after this. Whereas I'm here till 20th. So they go, my lord, arrest me by using that technical surveillance. They can do that everywhere. But not one action has been taken on my complaints, on security, on my threat perception, on those, my lord, grave threats which are offense beyond 7 years. Then, my lord, the complainant, I will show that, my lord. I'm giving a summary. We are
in a hearing stage or motion stage in some application. I don't understand.
Now, what do you want?
I want, my lord, on my three things, my lord.
Yes.
There should be, this should be quashed. My arrest should be declared in a writ petition as illegal, and I should be granted bail forthwith without any conditions, my lords. That is what
You are in custody for 2 days.
My lords, I'm in custody. Even if I'm custody for 1 hour, the custody itself is illegal. And my lords will have to protect me. And that is
They
what
have arrested in connection with a case.
My lord, but then case is about 3
They are
years.
arrested in connection with a case. Yes, arrest without in connection with a case is illegal.
Very well. And the registration
You at best can say that they have not issued any notice under 35(3)
Yes,
now.
B.
35B. 35B earlier 41A.
Yes,
They have not issued any notice.
I have not received, my lords. What they do is, my lords, my lord, they obtain a warrant of arrest saying we served these notices, and it is only during the arguments we come to know.
Yeah, Mr. Banerjee, we will be able to produce the CD or anything.
I'm led by Mr. Bandyopadhyay in this matter.
Mr.
Lord, CD is not available. Possibly, just let me tell you, your lords, the case is this. Lord, this is a case.
If I can complete, or I can
under section 196. No. This continuing is not. It's not a hearing. This is not a case
No,
under
I am
section
seeking my lord's permission.
Yes, my lord has asked me to. My lord has asked me. What is this? My lord has asked me. Don't show
No.
Mr.
Why I
Counsel,
saying
don't show this
that
posture.
court is to look into the material which have been collected by the investigating authorities so far.
So as it
And
is,
on the basis of such,
my lord,
but the state is not in a position to produce the same.
So, my lord, I am seeking exactly that, and that is, I am before my lord. My lord is to grant me protection. The Supreme Court, in a number of cases, and I have brought the compilation. In all these similar circumstances, they say on the first date, even if state is not there, they say grant ad interim bail, and then we can continue. I'm only seeking an interim bail. I can't be put into custody as a student, my lords. A girl student with all those, my lords, in that kind of circumstances, she is my lord, she has a ADHD problem.
She has?
Attention deficit, my lord. She gets impulsive. She gets, my lord, there's a problem. And staying in jail is creating a problem, my lords, for her. She is a kidney, my lord, disease she is carrying. All I'm trying to say is,
yes, Mr.
I'm only seeking. Can I submit?
Yes.
I'm not running away.
Yes.
Can I submit? My lord, kindly see, a case was initiated under section 196, subsection 1A.
Yes.
Then 299.
Yes.
352.
Yes.
353 1C.
Yes.
Because of her ex-handle posting with a video. Hurting the religious faith. Then, when this complaint has been lodged, it discloses a cognizable offense. FIR discloses itself is a cognizable offense. When this offense, it was done, notice was sought to be served under section 353 BNSS 2023 and 94 BNSS. First notice served, then section 94, she was called upon the steps were made for service. Then, with the assistance of the Anandapur police station case, and on both the 2 days, including 21st May 2025, however, the accused person or any of her family members could not be found there. And the flat was under lock and key, so the notice could not be served. Attempts were made. Then the warrant was issued by the appropriate magistrate. They whole family, the lady fled away. She was arrested from the Gurugram. She was produced before the appropriate magistrate. Transit remand was given for 3 days. Then she was produced before the magistrate. Bail petition was moved and was rejected.
By the magistrate?
By the magistrate. Now if they only ask for FIR, setting aside, etc., that is a subject to hearing. We have to file affidavit. We have to tell this.
Now, whether there is no requirement, any requirement to keep this student in custody any further?
Yes, this has been. Who will decide it? Once a matter is set in motion in the criminal court, how they can come into the writ court? They could have filed an application, bail application. How they can come into the writ court?
And how many cases has been registered against him? You are saying
I don't know
Anandapur case.
exactly. We
I
have
am
to
saying
take.
Garden Ditch case.
This is it.
Huh?
This is in connection with the garden ditch.
He was arrested. First case, which was the first case?
Garden reach, my lord.
Garden ditch.
Garden Ditch was first case.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, all the
How
cases
many
can be.
cases has been registered?
Line by line, same, my lords. Word by
Madam,
word, same.
Madam, kindly hear. Kindly hear.
My lord is
Yes,
asking
yes.
the state. My learned senior will give answer. But if interruption is in such a way, then it is very impossible to.
Okay, do one thing. It is vacation bench.
Yes.
You produce the CD and Saransa before the on 5th, before the next vacation bench, because of the fact material collected by the
My lord.
investigating
Yeah, at least
authority
initial
is to be-
stage.
is to be-
I am only on
today
the
just. So I am just passing an order
My lord, please.
that this Garden Ditch case, PS case, shall be treated as a principal case,
My lord.
and the other case will
My lord,
not be investigated.
I
Exactly.
want to show something, my lords. My lords
Just
cannot
kindly hear me,
continue
my lord. Kindly
in this
hear
detention
me.
even for a day, and I will
My
show
lord,
that.
kindly hear me. My lord,
Not
kindly
even
just
for a
hear me.
day.
My lord, kindly.
That is
Will
the
your
whole
lord,
essence of law is.
will your lordships kindly
Cannot-
hear me, my lord?
Even for a day.
My learned senior.
Let me
Well,
show
I
you.
want
learned
to-
Why are
senior
you
is.
afraid?
Okay.
But if he's.
My lord, kindly hear me.
Mr. Banerjee, both Mr. Banerjee.
My
My
learned
lord,
senior.
kindly
Why arrest
Here
is illegal? Here, Learned Council, why arrest is illegal?
Yes, my lord.
They have not issued notice under section 35B.
My lords, please see.
But Mr. Banerjee has stated that such notice was issued.
Yes.
My lords, can I only
Issued
say
a question of
something?
fact.
Yes.
Now, whatever inquiry will be done, will be done. Three things are there, and that is undeniable. Today, the effort is that we will show, only to delay something that is so sacrosanct to me, and that is liberty. It is only to delay my liberty. They are saying we will show, we will do this.
Day after tomorrow,
My
heaven
lords,
will not fall.
why even-
Only 2
My lord,
days.
this girl has suffered in these 2 days so badly. Please understand what she is going through. And I'm showing something, my lord. Please see.
She should have remembered when the external post was made.
Arrest me more.
লোয়ার কোর্টের অর্ডারটা
He
করলাম
should
না
have.
Is it in conformity
লোয়ার
with
কোর্টের
the law?
অর্ডারটা দেবো করলাম না
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Give the
Or not.
give the
After
give the,
this, not
give
even
the
a-
magistrate's order. Please give the magistrate order. Suppose তুইও
order
চাচা না ও একা
That's not
চাচাবে
my lords. Whether
It is
magistrate
warrant,
or-
warrant.
I am before my lords. And my
suppose
lords,
তুইও চাচা ওকে একা
my lords
চাচাবে
will
নাকি
not be guided by a magistrate.
হ্যাঁ
my learned senior friend, but forget not the judicial discipline.
judicial discipline.
And they are not the judge.
I understand.
My lord is
Yes.
judge.
My friends don't understand
Yes,
the
we have understand. And
judicial conscience
you
itself.
want to
You are
give
coming from the
by-
moon.
by
That is the
jumping
reason
and
why
humping.
you are coming from the moon. That is the reason you understand more than anyone.
What is your good name, please?
I'm DP Singh, my lords.
So it would be better.
So, my lord.
I am asking. You will not. You will go.
No, my lord.
You have come before the vacation bench. Okay, we know. I am asking them to treat this a garden ditch such and such PS